Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Grubhub application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and simply type in and search for Grubhub. Once you find the Grubhub application, go ahead and tap on it, and then you will see the install button. Tap on install and this will begin the download and installation of the Grubhub application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and once you can see the open button, you can go ahead and tap on it to open up the Grubhub application on your smartphone. Once you open up the application, you can go ahead and sign up to create a new account or log into your existing account to start using Grubhub application right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Grubhub application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.